Welcome back to a tune in to tune up your frequency. Has your day been very busy on this Monday with too much to go to do on your time schedule? Why not unwind for a short moment and join me for short inhaling and exhaling, allowing your breath take over to return back into your heart. Very quickly, just sit up straight and close your eyes if you can at the moment. And we take a breath in from our nose. And we hold the breath for some time on 4, 3, 2, and 1, and exhale from the nose, allowing ourselves to become still with the next inhale. And this time we inhale slowly. Our nose is our catalysator, bringing the breath down to the navel, holding the breath there. And when we exhale, we allow ourselves to bring our awareness down to the bottom of the feet. Exhale from the nose. Inhaling another time through your nose down to the powerhouse, the second energy center, the navel chakra. Hold your breath there, counting to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From your nose, exhaling, bringing your awareness down to the feet, to ground, and anchor yourself back into the here and now. Very well done. 2 more times, guys. Inhaling slow and deep down to your navel. Hold your breath there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, letting go. Down again. Awareness. Feel your feet. Last, final time. Inhaling slow and deep down to your navel area, holding your breath there. Counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Exhaling from your nose, slow down, bring your awareness down to the feet area. Feel your feet. Ground yourself, anchor yourself to be here, in the here and now. And open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this very quick tune in to tune up your frequency, a short checker where you are right now. And remember, the breath is your best friend.